Hey guys, today I am doing a video on how to look cool or epic. If you are wondering why I'm not making videos that often, because I'm trying to work on one music video. Which if you do have ideas, because I do have a Windows 8, I have the normal Windows 8, the one that doesn't turn to the tablet or whatever. If you have any ideas on how to make music videos on those, please leave it in the comments because I have no idea. But I am working on a new account because I forgot the password to my YouTube account, so I'm trying to make a new one, which is kind of awkward. Yeah. And I'm going to try to make the new one a little bit better. A lot better, to be honest. But yeah, here we go. First we're going to do girls. If any of you know the secret color to this, and that was wrong. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, this is my main thing. So I'm just going to do it. There's my luck. But I'm gonna cut the videos, or the video. So, here are some looks. I'm gonna be rocking the boat for the next 2 months. Okay, now for boys. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, hopefully I will be making at least one video, maybe the, I don't know, hopefully I'm gonna make another video on the new one, and then, the, thing or whatever, is gonna be my username Cinderella4666, and if it's different, hopefully it won't be. I'm gonna go back on my old one and tell you the thing for the new one. So hopefully I will see you again today. Bye.